In today's video, we're going to go over how to remove your watch buckle. So most buckles come in one or two kinds. They look pretty much the same, but this buckle here has a little area where you can push the spring bar through, which makes it a little bit easier to remove. But some buckles don't. You can see that there's no real area to push the spring bar through in this one, but we'll do that one afterwards. So let's start with this one. It's actually pretty simple. If you take your spring bar tool, which you can find on watchmaterial.com, you can just take the pointy end and push through this little area where it's recessed, and the spring bar will sort of pop through and you can wedge it out. And it's just that simple. And you can remove the spring bar. You can use your nails if you want to, but maybe that's not the best idea. Use the fork end of the spring bar tool and slowly wedge it out. Alright, so there you go. You've got all the parts of your old buckle here. So if you got a different type of buckle without a recessed metal area to push the spring bar through, that's okay. You can use the fork end of the spring bar tool and wedge it between the band and the buckle. Push down and it'll also pop out the same way. And you can use the fork end again to push it out. You can see the spring bars have little wedges here that make it easy to kind of push them in and out. So that's pretty much it. You've removed two buckles. So now say you want to put your buckle right back on. It's not difficult to do. So take your band, your spring bar, and your two buckle parts. The first thing you're going to do is take the spring bar and sort of put it back in the band, just about halfway. And so remember this little piece, it's got to go back in as well. And make sure to lift it up because it's going to rest above the buckle later. So make sure to have it lifted up this way. You can just press it down on the floor. It should be fine. Now wedge one corner of the spring bar back into the buckle, and you can take your spring bar tool for this. So it's pressed down, and now you can press the other side down with the fork end of the spring bar tool until you can kind of wedge it back into its spot where it's snapped in. And that's just about it. It's the same for replacing both buckles. So this is our video on removing and replacing your watch band buckle. Make sure to follow us on YouTube as well as Instagram to keep up with all of the new videos we've been posting, and thanks for watching.